Are you thinking about opening a new bank account in 2026 and wondering if Ally Bank is still the top choice and how simple the application process really is? I've been banking with Ally for a while now, and when I recently went through the process to open a secondary account, I was pleasantly surprised that the procedure is still incredibly streamlined and fast. Forget about paper forms and waiting in line. The best way to open an Ally Bank account in 2026 is online, and it can take you literally 5 minutes or less. Memo what you'll need. Before you even head to their website, make sure you have the key pieces of personal information ready to go. Ally needs this to verify your identity, as they are a fully online bank. Your legal name and date of birth. You must be 18 or older. A U.S. residential street address. Your Social Security number, SSN, or tax identification number, TIN. Your occupation and contact information, email and phone number. For the initial funding, you'll also want the routing and account number for the bank you'll be transferring the money from, although a deposit isn't strictly required to open the account. Laptop computer. The step-by-step online process. My experience was nearly instantaneous. Here's a breakdown of the few simple steps I took. Choose your account. I started by navigating to Ally Bank's website. They offer several options: a high-yield savings account, interest checking, spending account, money market account, and various CDs, certificates of deposit. I selected the high-yield savings account. Start the application. I clicked the prominent Open Account button. The first page asked if I was a new or existing customer. As an existing customer, I logged in, and some fields were pre-filled, saving even more time. Enter personal information. Even if you're new, this step is quick. You just fill in the personal details I mentioned earlier, SSN, address, contact info, and select the ownership type, individual or joint. Review and submit. I reviewed the application summary to make sure all my information was correct and then read and agreed to the legal disclosures. A single click on Submit Application, and I was done. It really was that simple. Funding the account. Immediately after approval, which was instant for me, I was prompted to fund the account. Since Ally has no minimum deposit, you can put in any amount. I set up an ACH transfer from an external bank, which takes a few business days, but you can also use a wire transfer, mail a check, or use their mobile check deposit feature for immediate funding. Sparkle's my favorite Ally perks. The ease of opening an account is only the beginning. As an online-only bank, a huge benefit is that they offer a $0 minimum opening deposit and $0 monthly maintenance fees across most of their accounts. Plus, their smart savings tools like buckets and boosters are fantastic for setting specific savings goals and automating transfers, which truly helps grow your money faster. Their 24/7 customer support, available by phone or chat, has also been a huge plus whenever I've needed a quick answer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.